chart shows data, but real business decisions needs deeper insights. What if you could calculate growth, compare performance, and analyze trends instantly? That's where Advanced DAX comes in. In this video, I will show you how to create real business calculations using DAX in Power BI. By the end of this video, you will start thinking like a data analyst. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trend Ignite, where you learn data analytics and Power BI step by step. In the previous video, we learned the basics of DAX. Now let's move to advanced calculations used in real projects. What you will learn? In this video, you will learn what is calculate function, how to filter data using DAX, year-over-year growth, percentage calculation, real business example. Why Advanced DAX is important? Advanced DAX allows you to analyze data based on conditions. It helps answer real business questions like which region is performing best, how much growth happened this year, which product is most profitable. Intro to calculate functions. The most important DAX function is calculate. Simple explanation. Calculate allows you to change the filter context of a calculation. Example, total sales equals to sum in bracket sales in bracket amount. Filtered sales equals to calculate in bracket sum in bracket sales in bracket amount and sales in bracket region equals to north. Apply filters using DAX. Using calculate, you can filter data inside formulas. This gives you more control than normal filters. Year-over-year growth. Now let's calculate year-over-year growth. Formula concept: current year sales and previous year sales. Year-over-year growth percent equals to current minus previous divided by previous. This helps business understands growth over time. Create percentage measure. Let's calculate percentage contribution. Example, sales percentage equals to divide in bracket total sales comma calculate total sales comma all sales. This shows how much each category contributes. Real business examples. Let's apply this in a real scenario. Compare sales by region. Identify top performing category. Analyze profit trends. This is how companies use Power BI. Use in dashboard. Now use this measure in your visuals. As you can see, the dashboard becomes more insightful and powerful. So in this video, we learn calculate function, filter using DAX, year-over-year growth, percentage calculations. In the next video, we will build a complete Power BI project from scratch. This will help you apply everything you have learned.